Hi guys, and welcome to your latest Forex School Online price action video. Over the last couple of sessions and days, price has made a heck of a lot of moves on the back of Britain's exit from the EU, and I've been sent a lot of messages and a lot of emails on exactly what traders should be doing with their price action, what they should be doing in the daily and intraday charts, and exactly what they should be looking at and how they should be playing the market. I haven't done a video in a little while. I've been working on a lot of other things. As a lot of you know, on the back end, we're looking to build a lot of new things for the site. And so I thought it's time to make a video and look at the market. I'm going to try and keep this as short and sweet as possible, and to try and give you some strategies so that not only you can look forward to the next couple of days, but we get events like this often. We get major events, but we're often getting minor news events and announcements that come out, and you need strategies to deal with this so that you know how to look at the price action, how to put the story together, and how you can move forward with your price action and not get scared, because that's one of the major things. It's fear that keeps people out of the market. They don't know what they're looking for, and they don't keep faith in their trading method. One of the major things you need to be able to do is understand and have a really good understanding of major daily support and resistance levels. You need to be able to mark up your major levels, because a lot of the stories around these supply and demand levels, no matter what the news story is, no matter what the announcement is, you'll notice that price keeps revolving around these levels. No matter how big the announcement is, no matter how much money gets sold off, price keeps coming back to these levels, and there's a reason for that. All the order flow, all the price action, and all the news can't move unless buyers and sellers are in the market. Okay, so no matter how big the announcement is, if we don't have traders buying and selling, price is not going to move. So you need to become an expert at marking these levels up. When price does make this breakout, and in this example we're looking at a breakout lower, because a lot of the markets did make huge moves lower. When the announcement gets released and price starts to make this huge breakout, you have a couple of options. Okay, so you've got your major level marked. You have a couple of options. If you're a very aggressive trader, you can start watching this major level you have marked here. You can start looking for price to make a quick move back higher and to get short in this level. So price is now made. If this is a daily chart, this is a daily time frame. Price is making this breakout. You could look for price to get short, to make a quick retracement back into this resistance, and to get short with this new momentum and this new breakout. Now, a reason a lot of traders are not doing this is because once this huge breakout is happening, they put their blinkers on and they stop looking for trades. For example, with the Brexit that just happened over the last couple of sessions, traders hear the announcement and they get scared and they completely turn off to all trades. However, if you are looking at the price action and the charts only, and you see this happening, a great time to start looking for shorts would be at this major level when price is starting to break out. You can start looking for quick retracements to get back into this level. Here's the example here. So if we're on the daily chart previously, that daily chart would be one large candle, but as you move to the intraday chart at 1 hour, 4 hour, 15 minute, here you would look to get short at that. This is the same daily support or resistance level, and you would look for your reversals or your other price action confirmations at this level. The other potential trade setup that you could also look for is that for the less aggressive traders, you could wait for price to complete that large move lower, stay on the higher time frames, and wait for the reversal back into that major level. Now, as we move over to the charts, we can see that this has played out on a lot of pairs, on a lot of markets. This is the New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen chart, and you'll see that on this daily chart here, we had this huge breakout, this huge move lower. This is this one huge bearish engulfing bar that has engulfed months of price. Okay, so this bearish engulfing bar here has engulfed months of price. This is one candle, one daily candle, but if we move over to the 1 hour chart, so that's the daily chart, we move over to the 1 hour chart, what we don't see on the daily chart is, as we were just discussing, we don't see this really quick retracement back in to that old support and new resistance level. So prices, this here from the high to the low is one daily session, and then price makes that really quick retracement back higher. But we don't see that unless we start moving to the intraday charts and start looking for short setups. So if this is the same daily level, price is making a quick retracement to get short. So this is the Australian dollar US dollar chart, and this one's a bit tricky because it has a couple of levels, but I'm going to mark my level at the higher level of the big round number at 75. So just let me set this one up for you. So, and I'll do that, and I'm going to show you, I'm going to zoom out and show for exactly the price flips of this level. Okay, so price starts back here. We can see that prices rejected that high level. When we move this box along, we can see price rejected, then it flips higher. Support, support. It breaks lower with a large bearish engulfing bar. I'll zoom in. We break lower. We have this inside bar now. Okay, and price continues lower. We're still low. We have a bearish engulfing bar. Price continues lower. And that's when we get this large candle now. If I move to the 4 hour chart and keep this same level, getting rid of the box, we see that this big round number of 75 has acted for a pin bar. But what is super interesting, that after forming this bearish engulfing bar and smashing through, we had this same exact quick retrace and small rejection candle and break lower. We don't see this on the daily session, but we had this super fast rejection back higher and smash back into the lows. So price traces really quick back higher and moves back into the lows. I'll flick over to the 1 hour chart. We see this even clearer. So price breaks lower with this huge news announcement. Traders pile into the market, sell off, and price makes a quick retracement. But a lot of people at this stage aren't looking for trades. They're closed off because they're in the panic of the news. They're not looking for anything. Okay, or they've got a bias one way or the other, and they're thinking news. They're looking at news announcements and what a certain fund is looking at doing, or what George Soros is looking at doing, and they're not looking at any of this. Okay, you need to keep in mind what price action is doing. Price action is showing us what traders are doing. They're showing us what the market behavior is doing. And that's why we need to keep in mind and keep faith in our method. If you've got a profitable method that's working previously, don't chuck out what's working previously when something comes along just through fear. Okay, so stick with your method, test your method, and then stick with it and keep faith in it. if you want anything more at all, just jump on over to forexschoolonline.com. If you've got any questions, post it below, and I really look forward to talking to you soon.